Have you ever wondered if certain life paths are simply predestined, especially when it comes to complex health challenges like addiction? The simple answer is no. A family history of addiction does not guarantee that you will develop an addiction. While genetics play a significant role in increasing vulnerability, they are not the sole determinant of whether someone will struggle with substance use disorder. The core mechanism behind this lies in the interplay between genetics and environmental factors. Our genes can predispose us by influencing how our brains react to substances, affecting dopamine pathways, and even shaping personality traits like impulsivity. However, these genetic predispositions are often like a loaded gun, but environment and life experiences are what pull the trigger. Things like early exposure to substances, chronic stress, trauma, or certain social pressures can activate these genetic vulnerabilities. Understanding this means you can take proactive steps to mitigate your risk. If you have a family history, recognize that you might have an increased biological sensitivity to substances. This knowledge empowers you to be more cautious about initial exposure, to make deliberate choices about your social environment, and to develop healthy coping mechanisms for stress and emotional challenges instead of turning to substances. It is fascinating to consider that up to 50% of a person's risk for addiction can be attributed to genetic factors, according to research from the National Institute on Drug Abuse. However, this also means the other 50%, if not more, is influenced by controllable lifestyle choices, psychological well-being, and external circumstances. This concept is often referred to as genetic vulnerability versus genetic destiny, highlighting that while certain genes may make you more susceptible, they do not seal your fate. Ultimately, knowing your family history provides vital information, not a predetermined sentence. It encourages a heightened awareness and a proactive approach to mental health and well-being, allowing you to build resilience and foster a life free from the grip of addiction, regardless of your genetic blueprint.